Hello everyone, my name is Nick and I'm working as a full stack developer Office Solutions. Today I'm going to explain you the icon array chart. Let me put some data into it. In category we have some student list and the employee list. And on the basic of this we have created some values. And let me remove the logo first while putting the license will get removed. And yeah, already I own the features are on. Let me put them off and I can on it as well. So here uh, we can change the color as well and show the number of values over the tooltip. So it will generate the number of icons that you have in your list. You can say the number of category is rendering on in x-axis and in y-axis there is a icons different icons which denoting the exact value of that particular category. Here we can change the shape as well. I can do it. See this, it will become square and we can use it as a triangle as well. So I have put three icons over it. And unit values, we can give a particular unit, like one shape is equal to, like, you can provide two, then it will get auto reduce. And here we have top 5 and top 10 categories. And we can toggle the values as well from there. So this is a group icon chart. You can use a different bar chart in this way as well.